In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate website in Lovable. Let's dive right in to get your customized site up and running. First, we'll need to head over to the Lovable platform. Once you arrive at the home page, navigate over to the website section. This area is essentially your digital playground where you'll be crafting and sculpting your real estate website to perfection. Before we dive into making any changes, you can get a sneak peek of what's available by clicking on Preview. This allows you to explore the vast array of potential templates and layouts that will serve as the foundation for your site. Next, we move on to an exciting step: remixing or duplicating public websites. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to take existing designs and make them your own. Think of it as a starting point that saves you time while you infuse your unique style and brand identity. Now, with the duplicated site in your hands, it's time to dive into customization. You can alter the design, text, images, links, and layout to truly reflect the essence of what your real estate business offers. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to open your creation in your workspace. This is where the magic happens. The workspace is your personal command center where you will further refine and hone each detail of your site. Now let's craft a compelling AI prompt. This is your chance to let the AI know exactly what you want. An example might be building a modern real estate website for Prime Vista Realty, which includes a hero section with a featured property, a property listings grid, an about section, testimonials, and a contact form. Remember to specify features like property type filters, location options, and the desired aesthetic, such as a clean, luxurious design with blue and white tones. Don't forget to emphasize that you want your site to be mobile friendly, fast loading, and elegant. This detailed prompt sets the foundation for what's to come. With the AI's groundwork laid out, it's time to go in and edit every element like your brand name, colors, and images. These personal touches will ensure your site is not only functional, but also distinctly yours. When you're happy with all the tweaks and adjustments, the final step is to save and publish your website as your own unique masterpiece. Remember, if you want your site to look fully original, be sure to replace all logos and photos, update text and section titles, and consider modifying the color palette or fonts using the design panel. These easy steps will set you apart and give your audience a fresh, inviting experience. That's all there is to it. Your customized real estate website is now live, ready to attract potential clients. Congratulations on creating a professional and polished site that truly embodies the spirit of your real estate business.